Now, when it comes to the paving itself, whether it's this type of antique paver or this type of brick type paver, they've pretty much all got a 40mm depth. When we're resanding, when we're cleaning properly, most of that is going to be filled with fresh sand. When it comes to sealing, what we're looking to do is saturate those joints, really get the sealer deep into the block and the sand and set those joints rock solid. If you see this sample here, you really struggle to push any kind of object in the joints. They're really well sealed. As you can see, a secondary benefit is that the sealer itself really brings the block to life and enhances the natural colours. Now when it comes to coverage ratios, what you can't do is just spread the sealer too thin. If you spread it too thin, you're going to achieve very little and probably in a few months' time wish you hadn't spent the money at all. Now to give you an idea, when I'm using this type of product, I'm looking to basically apply at a ratio of about 2 square metres per litre, and on a stone such as this, slightly less. What that is going to enable me to do is really soak the sand deeply into the joints and stabilise not only the sand but also the block as well, and reduce that future maintenance. So just to give an idea on how much product we should be using, I'm just going to take some rough measurements. Now working this way, which is one of the wider points of the drive, we've got roughly 9 metres here. If I look at the vertical measurement, and to the main body of the drive, we've got 6 metres here. So roughly around 54 square metres at this point. If we now measure the additional area at the front, so this measurement here is 5 metres. Another 4 metres this way, so another 20 metres in total. So we've now got 74 square metres plus a path of about 10 metres, roughly 85 square metres in total. So it doesn't have to be absolutely precise, but on a driveway and path of this size, roughly 85 square metres, I'd be looking to order 75 litres of sealer, 3 drums of sealer, of which I'm using basically 1 2/3 on the first coat and just 1 1/3 on the second coat. That's going to roughly give me the right levels of coverage, and as I say, you're always going to use a lot less sealer on your second coat.